So that's 2 hats and 2 needle breaks. So I did 15 hats and I had 20 needle breaks.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I mean, it was sometimes, yeah.
So you were getting
Probably some 2
more than
more
per
than one,
cap?
more than 1 per cap. It shouldn't break needle per cap.
No, it shouldn't. I'm gonna have to cancel this. Move it back.
And I think only reason why it's probably not doing it now, 2 per cap, is probably because you're putting more backing than I had. I had 2 pieces and you put 4. That might be helping a little bit, but still,